Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to make another video for you today sharing with you 4 niches that I found that are selling very well and are actually very low in competition. So I'm excited to share these niches with you because I think you have a good opportunity to make some money with them. I actually already uploaded 12 designs in these niches already because it just looks so good. So the niches are basically class of 2034, class of 2035, class of 2036, and class of 2037. You're going to see these are all the years, and it's basically for kids that are in preschool, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and the year 2037 is the year they're going to be graduating. All right, parents can also wear these to support their children, but when you upload these designs, you definitely want to make sure that you have the youth size checked off. But you guys got to check out these BSRs and the competition. So like for example, this one right here, class of 2034, there's only 179 results. Let me go back to it real quick. Right there you'll see only 179 results, and then check out these BSRs, 589, 287, 616, 641, and it's pretty much like this for all of the years. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next one, 2035. Which could be for kindergarten maybe. Let's see right here, look at this, 65, 154, 381, 267, and look at this, only 403 results. And I think the 2036 looked like the most appealing one because I saw a lot of the designs. Here you'll see only 159 results, so very low competition. But when we take a look and we see that these designs were just uploaded about 2 months ago, June 1st, June 8th, and again look at the BSRs, 200, 149. Again, we look at these BSRs, also very nice, and when they're uploaded, June 11th, June 2nd, June 1st, and June 1st as well. So this looks like a really good niche to me. I already got my designs up. If we look at Etsy, we're going to see the competition is also very low on Etsy. This is for the class of 2037 shirt, only 285 results. Same thing on Redbubble. We're going to see, I think there was only 119 results. So look at that. TeePublic, there's only going to be probably like a page or two. So actually, there's actually more pages than I thought. But they're putting up all the years. If you just look for the 2037, you'll see it's just about half the page. So yeah, really good niche. If you go to Vexels, I noticed that a lot of designs were selling like these heart arrows, like this right here. So I used I'm not sure which one it was, but I used one of these for my designs. You can go to Vexels. I have an affiliate link in the description, so if you're interested, you get some really good graphics from them. Vexels, in my opinion, probably has like the best graphics. I've tried most of them, like Vecteezy and some of the other ones, but Vexel seems to be the best. And again, just take a look at these BSRs. Take a look at the competition. When it's under 200 and BSRs like this. And I mean, this is in the back to school niche. This is probably the most popular niche right now because it's August 10th or 11th or something like that. So this is probably the best niche on merch right now. It will be for the next 3 weeks or so. So do like I did, get your designs up. I got 12 designs up just a little bit ago. I designed on both black and white because those you want to design for both colors because people like to buy both types of shirts. So get your designs up. I think you'll be successful with this niche. You can see that they're also using like graduation hats. You can get those on Vexels as well. People are using the boho rainbow. You can use the wavy text retro. Like I made a video the other day, like a tutorial showing you how to design for that. You can take a look at my videos. It's one of my recent uploads if you want to learn how to design like that. But yeah, just take a look, see what some other people are doing. Be totally creative or just do something similar. I did something similar, kind of something like this right here. You can see, look at this one. It's got 556 BSR. So, 4 niches here, 2034. And I bet you if you looked at some of the other ones, like that I didn't even look at, maybe like 2038, 2039, who knows. Maybe those ones are selling as well. So get your designs up, get them on all products, get them on all platforms, and hopefully you can make some money. All right, so thanks for watching the video. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, click the bell, and check out the affiliate links in the description. All right, talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.